In part 2 of recreating this home page, we will be adding the finishing touches to make this page functional. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to go back into our WordPress dashboard, and we are going to go to our header that we created. And if you are just tuning in for the first time, we recreated a home page step by step, and I will link that video. It'll be up in the corner and also linked in the description below so that you can go back and look over that video if you haven't, if this is your first time here. So we're going to go to header footer blocks, and then we're going to click on header 2. And we're going to click edit with Elementor. And there is the header that we created. Now what I want to go over is how to link these social media icons to your actual social media pages. So I'm just going to go over one, and then you'll get the general idea of how to do it. So let's do our Facebook, and this is our Facebook group for gifted women's entrepreneurs, and we want to link to this. So when someone clicks on our Facebook icon on our web page, it'll come to this page. So let's do that. So right now, so what you want to do, this will look like this, and once you click in this area here, it'll go to your options and your settings for your social media icons. And what we want to do is click on the Facebook option. And right down here you see where it says link. That is where you want to put the link to your Facebook page. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to copy this link. That's the link to the Facebook page, and you would copy the link to your Facebook page. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste it in here, and then we're going to update, and then we're going to preview. And when we preview this, when I click on the Facebook icon, it'll go to the actual Facebook page. And that's how you link your icons to your pages. Now, you could go down to all your social media icons that you created up here, and you can link them. The process is exactly the same. The only thing that's different is the link to the actual page. So the next thing I want to go over, I kind of skipped over this section here, which is our categories menu. So the category menu is actually when you write a blog post, you place it, you give it a title, and you place it into a category. So if your blog post is about productivity, you place it under the productivity category. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out here back to our dashboard, and we're going to go to our post section, and we're going to click on categories. Now here is where you create your categories. So let's say we wanted to name a category something random like fishing or something. Now what we would do is name it, give it a name. If you wanted it to be a subcategory of a category you already have, you would place it underneath one of these categories. But let's just, for the sake of time, let's just name it. And you can go through all of these options here. You can give it a description, but we're just gonna name it fishing. And we would save it. And now it's in our list of categories. So if we went to appearance and menus, we wouldn't go under pages for the menu, the categories menu. We would actually go under categories. We click on view all to see all of the categories we've created. And here is that fishing one. And just like with the pages menu, you would just select the category options that you would want to appear in your menu. So if we clicked on fishing and then add to categories, it would appear in our list. So if we save this and go back out to our menu, let's see if we can refresh this. You'd see fishing is part of our categories menu now. But we're not going to be fishing on this website, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to delete this. And to delete an option, you just click on the little down arrow and delete. And then you save. Again, make sure you save because nothing will go away if you don't save it. And then let's refresh our page here. And fishing is gone. So that's how you create your categories. So the last thing I wanted to show you is how this section is created. I really didn't go into much detail on how this is created. So what I want to do is go into my dashboard and show you, actually these are all blog posts. So whenever you write a blog and add a picture, it shows up. It would show up here. And what the Sizzify plugin actually does is it goes and it's connected to your posts section. So whenever you create a new post, it actually populates here. So what I want to do is go to my posts and add new. And we will kind of make up a dummy post here. Let's call this is a test. And then what I want to do is just add some fake text. Let's see, where can we go for that? Let's go to this actual post, and I'm just going to copy this post that I made. We just need some text. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into here. Where is my paste? Come on. Okay, we've got our text pasted, and then what you want to do is come over to this side here, and you want to make the template canvas, and then you want to add a feature image, and the feature image is this. So we are going to set a feature image. Let's see, we'll just add anything here, and we'll click set feature image so that appears there. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to publish this and cross our fingers because it should show up as a new post. And there you have it. So that's how you create your post, and the latest post will be posted here. So the oldest posts get pushed out, and I'll be making an archive page where all of the older posts will live, and we'll probably make a video about that. But I just wanted to go over those quick things and show you all how this works here. So we added a link to our Facebook page. We went over how to create the categories menu and create categories, and we also made a dummy blog post just to show how when you make a new blog post, the oldest one gets scooted out and the newest post will be seen here. And I think that is it. Now this icon section, you'll have to do the same thing, the social media icon section. So when you come back to this section, you'll go into your footer instead of your header, and you'll go into the footer 2, and you'll go to this section and you'll link all of these icons to your social media pages, just like we did with the Facebook icon here. I think that's it. If there's anything else, or if you guys have any questions on anything I've created here, or if there's anything you're not clear on and you want to go over it, I will be glad to make a tutorial on it. I'm going to actually see what's next in the video catalog here. We'll probably make that archive page, because there has to be a page where there's a sort of a directory of all your blog posts. So we'll probably go over that next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.